Ever dug through a mountain of crumpled receipts, desperately searching for that one you absolutely need? Yeah, us too. Welcome to the life of someone who incurs business expenses. But what if there was a way to ditch the paper chase and streamline the entire process? Enter Expensify, the expense management hero you never knew you needed. It's like magic, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you'll be pulling perfectly organized expense reports out of thin air. Intrigued? We thought so. Today's video dives deep into how to conquer your expenses with Expensify, so grab a pen, just in case, and let's get started. There are actually a few ways to submit those pesky expenses to Expensify, and the method you choose depends on your personal style and the receipt situation. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore your Expensify submission superpowers. Method number 1, become a receipt ninja with SmartScan. Let's face it, receipts have a knack for disappearing just when you need them most. But fear not, because Expensify's SmartScan feature is here to save the day. Think of it as your very own digital filing cabinet. Here's how it works. Open the Expensify app. It's available for iOS and Android, and tap the big plus button. Now, choose the Scan Receipt option. Voila! Your phone's camera activates, ready to capture the receipt in all its glory. Now the cool part, Expensify's magic works its wonders, automatically extracting the merchant information, date, and even the amount from the receipt. Isn't that something? No more manually typing in those long strings of numbers. Expensify does the heavy lifting for you. Bonus tip, make sure your receipt is nice and flat for the best scanning results. If the lighting's a little wonky, don't worry, Expensify can usually handle it. Method number 2, upload like a boss. Maybe you're not a fan of the whole phone camera thing. No problem. Expensify lets you upload receipts directly from your computer. Just log into your Expensify account on the web, head over to the Expenses tab, and click the glorious new Expense button. From there, you'll see options to scan receipt, which we just covered, or create multiple. But today, we're focusing on uploading the receipt you have stashed on your desktop. Click Upload and navigate to the file on your computer. Easy as pie. Method number 3, embrace the manual master. Let's say you have an expense that doesn't involve a physical receipt, like a mileage reimbursement. No sweat. Expensify allows you to manually enter the details. Head back to that new expense button in the web app. This time, choose Manual. Here, you'll be able to input the amount, add a description, think office supplies, and even categorize the expense, think office expenses. Expensify offers a wide range of categories to help you stay organized. Pro tip, get in the habit of entering these manual expenses as soon as you incur them. It'll save you a huge headache come expense report time. The finishing touches, adding flair to your expenses. Now that you've submitted your expense using one of these awesome methods, let's add some finishing touches. Click on the expense you just created, and you'll see options to add a project or client, if applicable, and any additional notes you might have. For example, if you bought office supplies for a specific project, you can link the expense to that project to ensure clear and accurate reporting. Expensify, your one-stop expense management shop. There you have it, folks. Submitting expenses to Expensify is a breeze. No more paper cuts, lost receipts, or scrambling to meet deadlines. Expensify puts you in control, letting you manage your expenses efficiently and effortlessly. So ditch the stress and embrace the Expensify way of life. Your future self and your accountant will thank you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expense managing.